Hello everyone, Steve Pollock here with Banyan Hills Technologies. In this video, we're going to talk about fields and how they're used in Canopy to help you add custom information. First, let's talk a little about what fields are exactly. Fields are labels you create to help organize your entities. Your next question might be, what are entities? In Canopy, entities are the top-level things that are being tracked, and they're typically the named element in a module, such as locations, devices, customers, or transactions. Let's say you own a network of kiosks. In fact, this demo account that I'm in right now is set up to monitor a network of kiosks. In this account, we're already using Canopy to monitor everything from the hardware availability, software availability, printers, barcode scanners, etc. Let's say you wanted to add the phone number of the on-site manager where the kiosk is located. That would be a handy piece of information to have in case I see in Canopy that something's wrong and I need to make a phone call. I can use the Fields feature for this job. Let's walk through an example right now. To add a new field, first I come up here to this gear icon, click on it, and then I click on Settings. In the Settings menu, I'll come over here to Fields and click that. I can already see a couple of fields that have been added already for locations. If for some reason it doesn't automatically open at locations, just come up here to this drop down and look for locations among the choices. Click on it and it should bring up something similar to this. To add a new field, I'll come over here to this plus button to add. I'll make my new field a text field. I'm going to come in here and give it a title, support phone, and then I'm going to add a couple of options here. I'm going to make it creatable, updatable. I do not want it to be hidden. I'll make it searchable in the UI. Grid default, this means that it will show up in my table, and if for whatever reason I need it to be sortable, I'll make the phone numbers sortable as well. I'm going to save the changes, and voila, I have created my first field. To see my first field in action, I'm going to come over here to locations, and just as I said, it will show up in the grid here. So support phone is already a field that is listed here in the grid. If for some reason I needed to sort them, of course I would just click on here. But first I'm going to come in here and I'm going to add my first support phone, and I'm going to just come in here and type in a number. And I click save, which I just did. And now when I come back here, I can see my support phone has been listed here. Fields are extremely flexible, so you can add lots of different types and you can really customize your use of Canopy with the use of fields. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next one.